We're going to work on red eye. So in Bridge, all we have to do is just double click and our image will open up in Photoshop. So I'm going to go ahead and close Bridge for right now. And they want us to use the red eye tool or quick key Command J. If you can't find it, it's under the spot healing brush. So if I press, let me go over here, and if I press J, you can see how the tool has changed to the spot healing brush. Then we scroll down to the red eye tool. And in the book, it's recommending that the option bar reduce the pupil size to 23. And you can either use a slider bar if you like, or physically type in the number 23. And for the darken area, it's going to be 62. And I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to use my quick keys Command plus. And all I have to do is just click right over that person's eye, and then on the right one as well. So let's go ahead and save this. So I'm going to go File, Save As. And I like to turn in my files in the Turn In folder. It's just easier to keep track, especially since we're going to be doing a lot of work in Lesson 5 with multiple files. So I'm going to make a new folder called, a new folder, and I'm going to call that one Turn In. And this is the red eye start JPEG, and I'm just going to call this one 05 because we're in Lesson 5, and I'm just going to call it red eye. And then you write your last name underscore first name. And I don't have to write .psd. It's going to be a Photoshop file. It'll automatically change it for me. So let me correct that. So it's 05 underscore red eye underscore last name underscore first name. Now, and I have it in my turn in file, so I'm ready to submit up to Canvas. I can upload all of these files, and I press save.